Hi, my name is Steve Adkins, and I've been fortunate to be able to create and deliver both technology and business solutions side by side with my clients for over 20 years. I've also been the client, which has given me a strong sense of responsibility and ownership along the way. Over the last 8 years, I've worked exclusively in the communications industry and have seen incredible change fueled by the growth in network data traffic, digital services, and a variety of smart devices. This brings me to my passion, helping people understand and live well in an increasingly connected world, a connected life. The digital interaction between people and things, people and services, and the people in the companies we work for or receive value from is changing our lives forever. I bet you've heard about a few things a connected life can enable. Better weather forecasting, autonomous vehicles, smart facilities, surgical robots, smart appliances, video on demand, online, digital shopping, and much, much more. At the core of our connected lives is our collective experience. We all want a good experience, an experience we can trust. The foundation of a connected life is something called good tech. It's technology used for the good of humankind. It's safe, reliable, and secure. And connected lives must be human-centric and human-driven. It's about improving our daily living. Hey, it's okay to unplug and get off the grid sometimes. However, most of us are not going to escape the connected life. So let's embrace it. Let's own its promise of an improved human condition. You can help. Let your family, friends, and coworkers know that it's all about providing a better quality of life, including the absence of inequality in life for all of us. So thanks for listening, and go live your best connected life.